Background video recorder for Android. Material Design UI. No ads. Background video recorder. Screen off video recorder. Stop recorder. Saved video here. Recorded 37s include screen OFF. Delete recorded video. FadCam app. Open browser. Search FadCam Android. GitHub FadCam app. Open source app. Scroll down. Select releases. FadCam 1.2.0 latest version. Download Universal VER compatible with all devices. Download to device. Install FadCam. Allow all permissions. Preview area. Choose back or front camera. Video quality. Frame rate. Start background recorder. Stop recorder.